Remember this, learning English is not only about language, it is about becoming a stronger version of yourself. Fluency is not talent. Fluency is a process.
Yeah.
Anyone can become fluent with the right practice. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Mr. J. Have you always wanted to speak English but didn't know where to start? Don't worry, you are in the right place. If you really want to speak English confidently, don't skip this video. Every lesson and every tip I share is important for your English speaking journey. You won't find this complete step-by-step guidance anywhere else. So stay with me until the end, and let's begin your English speaking journey together. Close your eyes for a moment.
Close your eyes.
Ask yourself one question.
What's your name?
Why do you want to speak English? Maybe for a better job. Maybe for more confidence. Or maybe to express yourself without fear. Remember this, learning English is not only about language, it is about becoming a stronger version of yourself. Fluency is not talent. Fluency is a process.
Yeah.
Anyone can become fluent with the right practice. You do not need perfect grammar. You need courage. You need consistency. Most importantly, you need to start. Do not wait for the perfect time. Start today. Every expert was once a beginner. Your first step is listening. Listen to simple English every single day. Even 10 minutes every day is enough. Small daily practice creates big results. After listening, repeat what you hear. Your mouth learns by speaking, not by staying silent. Do not fear mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. Speak simple sentences. Small sentences build strong confidence. Practice every day. Speak in front of a mirror if you have no partner. Start thinking in English. Look around and name everything you see. Learn useful words that you use every day. Simple words are powerful. Learn common phrases. They make your English sound natural and confident. Listen to real conversations. Watch how people speak, smile, and express emotions. Speak clearly, not quickly. Listen, speak, and think in English every day. Write a few sentences every day. Writing helps your speaking become easier. Practice conversations whenever you can. Every conversation builds confidence. Be patient. Great progress happens one small step at a time. Believe in yourself. If you learned your first language, you can learn English too. Never compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Consistency beats motivation. Practice even when you do not feel like it. Broken English is better than silent English. Speak, even if it is not perfect. Celebrate every small improvement. Small victories become big success. Connect your ideas using simple words like and, but, and because. Describe your day in English. Simple stories improve your fluency every day. Ask yourself questions in English, then answer them. This trains your mind to think naturally. Do not quit when learning feels difficult. Stop collecting lessons. Start practicing what you already know. Confidence comes after speaking, not before. Speak first, confidence will follow. Your future English depends on what you do today. Every minute you practice is an investment in yourself. Start now. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It is about communicating with confidence. Believe in yourself, keep practicing, and never give up. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Learn English with Mr. J and join me for the next lesson. See you soon.